So first of all we have this gray level transformation. So in this gray level transformation, as I have said that R before in my before videos, that R is the actual pixel values. This is before processing, and in the second instance this S is after transformation, what we have produced. Okay, pixels after processing. This one is after processing we are getting. So this is the actually the output value, whereas R is the input value. And since this one is functioning on a gray level, so what happens, since this one is acting on a gray level values contains 2 to the power 8 values. So 2 to the power 8 value means 256 values. So it starts from 0 to 222555. So this one is actually the L. So L will start from, if I represent it with the help of L, then the value will start from 0 to, it will move towards L minus 1. So first of all we know that 0 is a dark value, and whereas L minus 1 is a white value. So it is moving from darker value towards a white value in this side also. In the output side, this one is actually the input side, represented along the x-axis, and along the y-axis we are getting the output intensities. Okay, so now all of the things has been shown within this table. So if you draw this one only, you can able to understand and you can able to remember all the things. So just you do not have to learn so much, just you have to remember about the figures. So here what will happen, if this one is an identity, we can able to understand, since this one is an identity, if we denote it with a point, then almost L4, here L4 denotes the output is also L4. Identity means it will remain similar. Okay, so here are some of the basic transformations are given. One is identity, one is negative, which I have given in the exam. So since this one is easy, I have given logarithmic transform is there, where there is log is also present and inverse log is also present, and at the last power law is present. So that one is nth power law or nth power root. We will come across all of them one by one. So first we have to see only this identity and negative, then I will ask that you can able to understand the thing or not. So first of all, in the identity, what happens in during identity, what happening, the same thing, it will focus on the same place. That one is L by 4 and L by 4 both are same. Then also L by 2 is also will be L by 2. Since if we plot that one, I am not making the plot, we can able to just, if it is drawn in proper manner in a graph, then we will see that both of them will coincide. That means what is the input image, that is being created in the output image also. So both the images are same, just a copy of this one. We can, while we are copying, at that time no transformation actually we are doing, we are just copying one image to another image, duplicating the image. At that time it is occurring only identity is occurring. So now if we think about the negative, so negative will be just the opposite, this one, just the opposite one. So how this one is the negative, we can say, so just as negative, if we point this one, if I am pointing this this point, so it has been shown that this is coinciding with L by 4. That means that 3L by 4, where the white level is greater, that will become more black. Okay, or otherwise if we think here also, if we think that R value is 0, when the R value is 0 means intensity level R value is 0, at that time what they are doing, at that time the R value of A's value will become at that time L minus 1. That means maximum white, means maximum black will be represented with the help of maximum white. And instead of that one, if we put here L minus 1 and we put here L in the value of the R, we are putting L minus 1, then the total thing will become equals to 0, because it will cross down and it will become 0. So the thing is that actually we are getting the negative value. The totally the thing, which portions are black, it will become white, and white portions will become, just the reverse will occur, white portions will become black. Just as the negative beforehand we are using, so let me stop it. So now since we have completed this image negative, then we have to complete this logarithmic transform. Logarithmic transform means this is another type of transform. Similarly, it is acting similarly as this one, s is equal to tr, only on the single values. So actually one has been kept here because if the r value is 0, then what will happen? If log 0, here it is written log 0 means 0. If it is at least log 1, then some value may comes. Actually with the help of this one also we can able to do the contrast stretching. Contrast stretching টা কিভাবে হচ্ছে, যদি আমি এখানে একটুখানি কালারটা চেঞ্জ করে নিই. If this one I am thinking that I am producing it from L4 actually just by the side of this one, and we are waiting to the log value. So we are just waiting to the log value. So then at that time if I produce this one to this side, actually it will be coming to L4. If I am starting from L4, it will coming to the L3L by 4. So actually this is occurring. So that means the value that is from in the black region from 0 to L by 4, it has been stretched to this portion. That means contrast has been, that means this one is the black value, whatever representation it, now it is represented, it is being represented with a greater value. So this is a transformation which is called log. So we have log, simple log, we have an inverse log also. So what happens to this inverse log? Inverse means inverse thing will happen. So actually for this one, first one, we are stretching the contrast, that means we are making a picture which is in low contrast. First this one, if the green we are checking, we are making this picture more contrasting. Okay, more contrast we are inserting. Means whatever contrast is present, we are just making it more contrast at this moment. But if I mark this one is in blue, if I come to this one, so at the negative, this one is an inverse log. So inverse log, what will happen? This one will be almost produced to L4, and here what will happen? Here see that the values actually from here to here, what happening? Actually from 0 to 3L by 4, the white level is greater, but that one is contrasting within a small black level. Okay, so black level টা ছোট হয়ে যাচ্ছে, black level টা black এর মধ্যে ওকে এত বড় সাদা পোরশনটাকে we are inserting within this L by 4 region. So it will become, that means low contrast. So we have for this reason we will have in the inverse thing, that if anything is, we do not need so much of contrast, always we do not need this contrast feature, so we may call that one as low contrast thing. Okay, একটা ইমেজে সবকটাই দরকার হতে পারে. So we, okay, so now at the last moment we have a power law. So the power law, what does it says here also? This one is r to the power gamma. R to the power gamma, one thing they have said that this one is the nth power. R to the power nth power, they are calling it when the gamma value is greater than 1, they are calling it nth power, and when the gamma value is less than 1, they are calling this as nth root. So nth root, we can see the nth root at the top here. This one is at the nth root, that means the gamma value will be less. So that why at the identity gamma value is 1, then it is reducing gamma value to 0.67, 0.40, 0.020, 0.10, 0.04. So all these things you will get, this total thing has been taken from the book which we have uploaded. Okay, and the book must be downloaded within 1 week. So there we will get actually these things. So this gamma value, when the gamma value are less, same thing is occurring almost that of the logarithmic value. Okay, so but the thing is, this one has something different consequences. Here also they have seen that the input is small, and at that time the output is greater, more greater, or the output is this one at that time. So just this curve is little larger or smaller, or any value it can occur according to the gamma. So the gamma value, when the gamma value is becoming greater, so at that time also the gamma value, since it is becoming greater, so these are the gamma values, then the gray level we can have the same thing, such as the stretching level will become lesser here. Another one is this, that we have a gamma correction in our machines. In our machines mean in our monitors or whatever we are seeing. So for all this reason there are gamma values. So actually gamma equals to C equals to 1, that one is identity. C is gamma, C r to the power gamma. So now here also the gamma correction. So image as viewed on the monitor, if we just do not correct it, if you can able to see that, so you will see that little darker portion we will able to see. Actual image, if gamma correction is not present, at that time we will view the little black things. And some of the TVs require this, have this gamma correction. So what happens, while we are gamma correcting, the contrast will be much more better than this one. So gamma correction, maybe I do not know where it is present, but gamma correction is present nowadays in our monitors. Okay, so here is also another one. Here actually a sample has been given, which I have said on the last day also. A NASA picture has been taken. So this one has been taken many days back. So first the image has been occupied like this. Now as the gamma is increasing 3, 4 and 5 respectively, we are seeing that the image is becoming more and more darker. So these are the importance of this image processing. More thing, no, contrast stretching is there afterwards. So we will come across this one on the contrast stretching, already we have done. But here what we will see, here we will just 2 points. These 2 points can be eliminated and it can be an identity one, or otherwise if we stretch this one, then other things will occur. So we will come to this on the next day. So first of all we have to able to understand that this gamma presentation, due to gamma presentation the thing has been